Greetings to all. This is Anuradha S., PhD Research Scholar, Azhagappa University College of Education, Azhagappa University, Karaikudi. I am going to present a topic on the challenges and opportunities of technological and metacognitive learning post-COVID-19 era. Let me get into the introduction. The pandemic has affected globally and everything has gone to a standstill and many sectors are facing challenges. One such is the educational sector. Educational institutions have been closed towards the end of the academic year. The government, the educationists, politicians, as well as the members of the society squeeze their brain to support the education system by inventing modern methods and revitalizing the existing energy. The teachers as well as the learners have to face the challenges and find out a way to educate the student society. It has also changed the way this COVID-19 has also changed the way we look into education and how we can change the traditional teaching learning to an innovative and modern way using technology and metacognition. The challenges and opportunities of technological and metacognitive learning post-COVID-19 era. There are many challenges being faced by the teachers as well as the learner. Some of the challenges that teachers face in terms of metacognition and technology is the teachers' very flimsy knowledge. Though teachers are trained, they lack professional development in technological and metacognitive learning. Teaching involves handling many interacting factors simultaneously. Computers have been of a great help in developing metacognitive learning, and the usage of the electronic media and the electronic gadgets have already started, and the teaching learning process will be nothing without technology and metacognition post COVID-19. Computers and the other electronic media help in the collaborative learning, and to learn through technology, metacognition is essential. Certain challenges that the teachers and the learners face affect the effective implementation of the teaching and learning, such as network problem, improper usage of proper gadgets, etc. Challenges also include the teachers who stick to their traditional method of teaching and resist any change. These teachers refuse to acquire or try any metacognitive or technological method. They fail to use technology to assess or evaluate students. Even the simplest usage of webcams is found difficult by many of the teachers. Recommendations for teaching and learning using technological and metacognitive learning post-COVID-19. There will be a shift in the education system post-COVID-19, and the education system is going to be altered completely. The future of education may be collaborative learning using technology and metacognitive strategies and online and offline classes. Schools may have tie-ups with more education technology related companies, recruit teachers with ICT background, rely more on electronic gadgets, make use of television channels for increased educational assistance, reduce paper usage by not using books and notebooks which will be replaced by tabs, conduct evaluation and assessment through online, use software to develop e-content, encourage e-learning 100%. The academic curricula finds it very difficult to fit in all the essential components to teach a learner all the aspects of learning. Technology is available in many phases of life, and today it is considered most vital in the field of education, and it is certain that it will bring a change in the forthcoming months and years in the post-COVID-19 era. Thank you.